morning, Miss Doyle's class. Today we're going to talk about transformations. First transformation today is when your positive y value is increased. The equation is f of x plus a.
Positive a value is how much you rise on your y
Next
axis.
equation is the f of x minus a value. This is when your graph is shifted down as your y value decreases.
Negative a value affects how much your y-intercept goes.
Our third equation today is our horizontal shift left. The equation is f all times x minus a.
This is when your x value is positively increased, moving further left on your
Our
x-axis.
next transformation is our horizontal shift right. The equation is f of x plus a. This is when your x value is negatively increased, moving it further right on your x-axis. This is an example of a horizontal shift. As you can see, the parent graph right here is affected in this equation by adding 2 to the x value, shifting it left 2. This is an example of a horizontal stretch. As you can see, the original parent graph, this is a horizontal stretch. As you can see, the original parent graph is wider and its x values increase positively and negatively on each side of the graph. The equation is a times f of x when a is greater than 1.
Hold on.
This is a graph of a vertical shrink. This is an example of a vertical shrink. As you can see, the parent graph is larger than the second graph. The equation is a times f of x when a is a fraction less than 1 or greater than 0. This is an example of a reflection across the x-axis. This is the parent graph and this is the second graph. The equation is negative f all times x. This is an example of a reflection over the y-axis and a horizontal shift left 1. This is the equation, g all times negative x minus 1, and this is the parent graph. You can see how it slides to the left 1 and is reflected over the y-axis.
Yep.
This is an example of a graph that reflects over the y-axis. Oh shit, no it's not.
Blah globes.
Okay, I'm not even doing this one.